Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. So I am starting the Rocking the Retiring List mini-series off with my card kit of the month. I'm starting off using some of the products that are retiring, such as the New Horizons Designer Series paper. If you haven't got your hands on this paper, you should. I will give you a sampling in your card kit. There's going to be 2 3x3 squares of the paper and then a matting paper as well. And those two colors are retiring. This stamp set called On the Horizon, I'm going to be using, changed my mind at the last minute, and I will be using a different sentiment, but here I'm using Night of Navy. I chose to use Night of Navy instead of the Misty Moonlight, just because it creates a darker, deeper, crisper image. I find that Misty Moonlight is just a little bit of a lighter blue, which is beautiful in some circumstances, but because I'm actually stamping over the Designer Series paper, I want to have it just crisp and dark, and I don't want to have to go over it a couple of times, and I didn't want to use Stays On ink, to be honest. Sometimes you get sick of black, so don't you know Night of Navy is the new black. It's a neutral anyway. So because I did use Night of Navy, I decided just to let it dry there for a little bit so that I could put the adhesive on the card instead of the paper. So it just gave it an extra minute to dry. Sometimes when you're using a nice deep rich color like Night of Navy, it can smudge if you don't give it a minute or two to dry. So I'm matting both of these. So this is for the two cards, and hopefully everybody gets two very different looking squares of paper. I tried to make that a thing. And now I have, oh, my camera certainly doesn't like that white page, hey? So I put dimensionals on the back of the squares, but I did not take off the release paper because I'm using this square as a sort of like a template, a holder, if you will, because I'm going to be stamping again, and that says thanks for everything. And I know there's a birthday one, and I was thinking about doing birthdays, but I chose not to. It's my prerogative to choose whatever sentiment I want to. And you know what? It's your prerogative. When you get this card kit, you certainly can do what you like as well. So again, I'm just using that Night of Navy. It's a beautiful rich color, and I've taken off the dimensional backings, and I'm adhering this to the top portion of the basic white card. Again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. And it will also take you to the last chance products, which are the retiring list. So I hope you like this card kit, and thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.